There are three basic type of acne scars. One is pigmented, where the skin surface is not altered, but you get a color change on the skin. It looks darker or redder than usual. The next is atrophic, where the scar looks depressed. The third scar is hypertrophic, where the scar looks elevated above the surface of the skin. So, based on the type of scar, we can tell you what is the likely improvement with the laser. The pigmented scars, where there is only a color change on the surface of the skin, usually respond well to chemical peels and Q-switch Dendiag lasers. With 4 to 5 sessions, you can get 80 to 90% clearance in the scars. With the hypertrophic scars, they are a little more trickier. You might need to do carbon dioxide laser with or without radiofrequency and intralesional steroids, and you can achieve a good flattening of the scars. With the atrophic scars, again it becomes tricky. In atrophic scars, you have different types. You have ice pick scars, you have boxcar scars, you have rolling scars, and in this the rolling scars are the ones which are going to give you the maximum improvement based on whatever laser or treatment that you choose.